The product release notes composer allows you to write and send release notes to your customers of the features that you roll out. They help you to inform customers about the release of new features they would have been waiting for or bug fixes. To start composing an email, head over to Release Notes and click Add Release Notes. Or you can create a template that you will use for your future emails. Every email you create will have the same structure as the template. Choose the voting board time frame that will encompass all the public ideas you want to add to the release note. The public ideas will appear in the voting board progress status blocks. Enter the release note's title or subject line, and then the introduction. After that, you can start adding the announcements blocks. On these blocks, you add the features that you want to talk about in the release notes. Each block will have a single feature. So if you're going to add 3 features in the release notes, then you should add 3 announcements blocks. If there are any requests on the voting board that are related to the released feature, click Add Related Requests to include them. Add a call to action that you would like your customers to perform, for example, signing up for a webinar or visiting your voting board. You can also add voting board progress status blocks to update your users on other activities happening on the voting board, like features you're currently working on. Public ideas appearing on the voting board status blocks are determined by the voting board updates timeframe that you would have chosen. The structure of the email is customizable. You can arrange some blocks, hide or show some blocks, or even delete some blocks. Get a live preview of the email as you create it, which helps you to see how the email is coming out. After you're done composing the email, choose when you want to send the email. You can send it right away, or you can schedule it for a later date. And also, you can update your customers on the activities happening on the voting board using the voting board auto digest. This digest is sent automatically on a frequency of your choice.